Hello, PVS parents and scholars. I am going to talk a little bit today about the Passive Ready fourth grade website. Now, on our website, we have a lot of different information and resources that are helpful for you, and I want to make sure that you know about some of the features we have. So, on our home page right here, we have all three teachers and some personal information, our contact emails, as well as just some basic information about each of the teachers. Then, if you go to fourth grade information, under fourth grade information, we have our daily schedule. We have some important links like Infinite Campus, pick up and drop off procedures, so on and so forth. We also have the back to school night slideshow, where we went over the slideshow about what we were doing throughout the year. Then, under my name personally, each teacher has their own portion to or links to the website. And my first part is on writing. And then each trimester, we have a unit that we work on. During units 1 and 2, we worked on informational writing. That was in trimester 1. There is a rubric there for grading. And then I have some helpful videos on how to write informational text. This is also helpful for when you are planning some inquiry homework and you're doing an informational writing piece during the inquiry homework. Trimester 2 is all about narratives. Again, there's a grading rubric there, as well as some helpful videos on how to write a narrative from the beginning to the end. And then trimester 3 is all about opinion and persuasive writing. So again, there's a rubric there, and then there's some helpful videos underneath as well too to help you through persuasive and opinion. The next tab underneath my name is the Science tab. During trimester 1 and units 1 and 2, in science we worked on life science. That included the human machine experiments and waves of sound. Each section has a link that will link you to the videos and to the experiments we worked on. They're kind of neat to look at. And then trimester 2, we worked on physical science, which is all about energy. And again, we did some more experiments. Again, there are links here if you want to see the videos and the experiments we did. And then finally, trimester 3 is all about earth science. And again, there are 4 sections here provided with links. You just click on the link there and you can get to the experiments there as well as the videos that go with it. The next section right there is spelling and grammar. Spelling, I have linked here an entire spelling list for the entire year. We don't use every single word list. We only use the particular word list right here that I've listed. That's because we do it every other week and we don't do it during testing time. So there are only certain lists that we use. And then also weekly, we do DLI testing, or every other week, I apologize. Every other week we do DLI testing or have a quiz at the end of our unit. We have a certain concept we're working on for grammar, and then scholars take a quiz at the end of the 2 weeks. So there are some helpful videos in here as well for the weeks of DLI. Then the next section is math. Math has some interesting resources in there. These are generic resources, some different tools, some links in there that you can use. There's also some math games that are a little more generic. They have all different kinds of math skills in them. Also on this particular page, I have the breakdown of different word problems, something we practice in class, circle the important numbers, box the keywords, underline the final problem that they're asking, and then the math journal sentence frames. For Common Core, we use sentence frames to help justify our answer, so they have to practice at the end justifying their answer. So I solved this problem by, I know blank is the answer because, so at the when they're justifying their answer for their math, they have to use math journal sentences.